Expected to be Samsung's latest technological marvel in the tablet world, the Galaxy Tab S11 is set to redefine expectations with both its hardware power and software capabilities. Designed for professionals, artists, and tech enthusiasts alike, this device seamlessly blends productivity and entertainment into a flawless experience. One of the most captivating features of the Galaxy Tab S11 is its 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With a WQXGA resolution of 2560 by 1600, this screen delivers an incredibly fluid viewing experience thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits ensure vibrant, sharp, and true-to-life colors. Whether you're indoors or under bright sunlight, this display promises a visual feast when watching movies, playing games, or using professional design applications. Powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, developed with cutting-edge 3nm process technology, the Tab S11 effortlessly handles even the most demanding tasks with its octa-core architecture. Supported by 12 GB of RAM, this processor allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously and switch between them without any loss of speed. The tablet offers various internal storage options, including 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB, and provides the flexibility to expand storage up to 2 TB via a microSD card. The Galaxy Tab S11 elevates your creativity with the included S Pen, now IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. With its enhanced sensitivity and low latency, taking notes, drawing, and editing documents is more enjoyable than ever. Furthermore, Samsung DeX Mode transforms the tablet into a desktop-like experience, boosting your efficiency by allowing you to work with multiple windows. Running on Android 16 with the One UI 8 interface, the tablet also acts as an intelligent assistant with its suite of Galaxy AI features. AI-powered functions like Circle to Search, Note Assist, and Photo Assist are designed to simplify your daily tasks. Encased in a slim and lightweight metal chassis, the Galaxy Tab S11 is impressively portable at just 5.5mm thick and weighing approximately 470 grams. Its IP68 rating provides peace of mind with robust protection against water and dust. The 8,400 mAh battery, combined with 45W fast charging support, ensures uninterrupted use throughout the day. The quad-speaker system, tuned by AKG, delivers a rich and immersive three-dimensional sound experience. For high-quality video calls and photography, it features a 13MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera. Supporting the latest connectivity standards like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, the Galaxy Tab S11 guarantees a fast and stable connection at home or on the go. With these features, the Galaxy Tab S11 stands out as a complete package, offering everything expected from a premium tablet and more.